In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to Microsoft Teams. This integration is a fantastic way to bring together your professional connections and collaboration tools all within one platform. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this by launching the desktop app or by navigating to teams.microsoft.com in your web browser. Once you're there, sign in using your Microsoft 365 work or school account credentials. This is an important step because access to certain features depends on having the appropriate account permissions. Once you're signed in, you'll want to head over to a chat or alternatively, click on a colleague's name to open a conversation. Doing this brings up their profile card. Here is where the magic happens. If your organization has enabled the LinkedIn integration, you'll notice a LinkedIn tab appear within this profile card. Next, click on that LinkedIn tab. If it's your first time, you'll need to sign into LinkedIn. You'll see an option to sign into LinkedIn. Click on that and enter your LinkedIn account credentials. Be mindful to input the email and password associated with your LinkedIn profile. After signing in, LinkedIn will ask you to grant permission to authorize the connection between the two services. It's essential to allow this, as giving permission will enable the sharing of information between LinkedIn and Teams seamlessly. Following your successful sign-in, Teams will now pull in key LinkedIn information directly into the app. This includes job titles, work history, skills, and mutual connections of your colleagues. These insights can be a great way to quickly understand your collaborators' professional backgrounds and shared networks. In addition to viewing this information, Teams also allows for direct action, meaning you can connect with individuals on LinkedIn directly through Teams. This feature streamlines those "I should add them on LinkedIn" moments, making network expansion easier and more efficient. At any time, you might want to manage or even disconnect this integration. To do that, click on your profile picture in Teams and navigate to Settings. From there, go into Privacy Settings, where you can manage and adjust the LinkedIn integration as needed. Whether you want to tweak permissions or disable it entirely, you have complete control over these settings, ensuring they align with your privacy preferences. And there you have it. By bringing LinkedIn into your Teams environment, you're setting yourself up for richer interactions and more informed collaborations, bridging networking and teamwork seamlessly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. And as always, thank you for watching.